In this video, I am going to show you how to install Raptor lights on my 22 WRX. I am sure a lot of you would say this is useless and unnecessary, but I hang out with few guys who drive WRX and want to make it look a little different. So if you are interested, I hope you enjoy the video. I got those lights from eBay and they are made for Tacoma. I am not sure if you can find those lights made for WRX, especially with the sport grille. I wire it to the fuse box in the engine bay and it stays on as long as the engine is on. I just put the fuse tab in the empty location next to the blue fuse and then I connect the ground wire. I just did it quickly, but later I'll make sure all wired and hidden and connected properly. First we start off by removing the bumper, which is pretty easy. We remove 6 10mm bolts, 3 pop clips and 2 small ones on the sides. We remove the hood gasket. We remove 2 pop clips of each wheel well. Now we start removing the pop clips from underneath the bumper. Now we can start removing the bumper out of the car slowly. Grab the bumper in the wheel well and pull it to the side to release the tabs. When all tabs are released, ease the bumper on the ground and make sure to unplug the fog light if you have them. Then you can remove the bumper completely out. We remove the grille by removing about 6 Phillips head screws and few tabs we'll need to depress. Now the next step is to put the lights on the grille. Those lights were not made for this car, so I have to make some adjustment to the light base. I remove the light from the piece that hold it to the grille and put it backward. Then I use aluminum wire to hold the light to the grille as you see, and then I use a hot glue to make sure it is sturdy. I tied all lights to the grilles and make sure they don't move. I run all wired behind the emblem so you don't see any wires when you look at it from the front. We test the lights before we put the bumper back on. All 4 lights seem to work nicely. Now we put the bumper back on. We put the gasket and all clips and bolts on the top and the sides. Make sure you don't miss any clip from the bottom. Everything seems to be good. The lights turn on and off automatically. It takes few seconds to turn off after you shut off the car. And that's how it looks at night. I hope you enjoyed this video and stay tuned for next one.